downpour on it, and one says ice and glacier. Okay, we have all these tins. Okay, and we're going to see what happens with erosion. Okay, we're going to simulate the erosion, guys. We're going to watch it happen. So what I want you guys to do right now is to just think in your head for 1 second. We're going to be making predictions. I want you guys to think in your head, what do you think is going to happen to this dirt and rocks? This weathered material, guys, you see? We're not saying it, we're just making predictions in your head, Sophia. Okay? Here's the weathered material. Guys, it's just dirt and rocks. Okay, what I want you guys to do now is we're going to be making predictions. Think, when we pour light rain on this weathered material, what's going to happen? When we have a downpour, a lot of rain poured on it, what's going to happen? You guys don't have to raise your hands, we're just thinking. Okay? When there's a hurricane, what's a hurricane, guys? Do you know?
It's like,
yes, Shayna? Like a tornado. They're both, they both can have large effects. What's a hurricane? Yes, Courtney?
When the ground keeps shaking.
That's an earthquake. Yes, Leah?
Like when you're on land and there's water surrounded, and you live next to it, and you have a hurricane, it's windy and water splashes all over the place.
Okay, great. So during a hurricane, guys, it's a large downpour of water, and it's also really, really windy. Okay, so what do you guys think is going to happen during the hurricane to this weathered material? What do you think is going to happen when there's just wind? And what do you guys think is going to happen when an ice glacier passes through? What do you think is going to happen to the weathered materials then? So what I want you guys to do is in your notebooks, we're going to be making a graph just like what we did last week. Okay, and the graph looks like this. Ways that cause erosion. Okay?
Should we make that chart too?
You guys should make this chart. Yep. Light rain. Downpour.